Hello students, so let's continue with the SQL implementation. Today we will start the implementation of the select command. So students, all of you are aware that what's the use of the select command? Select command is used to access the records from a table, and we can access the records in multiple ways. So by starting the practical, we will learn that how many ways we can access the records from a table. So first of all students, what we have to do, we have to open the database. So which command we have to use for that? Use command, and the database name is the school. Okay, so now database is changed and I have to open the table of the school database. So the table name, so whatever, select star from student. So student table I am opening here. So students, you can see here that 5 records exist in the student table. Okay, so by using the select command, select star from student, we can access the all records of our table. Okay, so here 5 records are present in the student table. So if you want to access the all records from student table, then what you have to write, select command, select, then space, then asterisk symbol, then space, from, then space, then table name. Okay, so in this manner we can access the records. Now if you want to access only specific column, you don't want to access the all columns of the specific table, you want to access only 1 or 2 or 3 column, then what you have to do, you have to write here in place of asterisk symbol, you have to write the column name that you want to access. So I want to access S name and fees. Okay, so from table name is student. Okay, so here semicolon, then press enter key, then this it will be the output of the command, because we access only the 2 columns from the student table. Okay, and that specific column I have mentioned here, S name and fee. Okay, so student, after that what we have to do, now I will tell you that how we can access the new records. Okay, in multiple ways we can use. So select, now I will access the record according to the specific criteria. So select star from table name is student, and I want to access the output or result that fulfill my criteria, and my criteria is that above 15 years. Okay, above 15 years age student will present as an output. Okay, so here we will use the word where is, I want to apply the condition on which column? Is equals to age equals to 17. Okay, I want that the students who is of 17 years, okay, I want to access a record of that students. Okay, so I press enter here. So only one student according to our criteria will come here. Okay, just like roll number 102, Priya has only the age 17. Okay, so students, here only one record will display to us, because according to the criteria only one student that who has the age 17. Okay, in the same manner we can apply the condition according to the requirement on the different columns. Okay, so here I am showing the one example more to you, that select strict from table name student, then where which column I have? City. So city, I am applying the condition on the city column, where city equals to Alwar. I want to access the Alwar students record, so this command will help us. So here we can access the records of those students who belongs to Alwar city. So here we can see that the roll number 101 and 102, both students belongs to Alwar city students. So we can access the record according to the given criteria, we can use the select command. Okay, so select command is used with the where clause if we want to access the record according to the specific criteria. Okay, so now if I want to access the record, not the whole record of the Alwar city student, I want only the name of the students who belongs to Alwar city. Okay, so here in place of asterisk symbol, I will use here the column name as name, because I want to access only the name of the students who belongs to the city Alwar. Okay, so select as name comma city where city equals to Alwar. So students, what will be the output? Here is the error. So select as name comma city where city equals to Alwar. So what happened here? Select as name from, because I have not given the name of the table here, students, so I have to mention here the table name. So always you have to remember that you have to give the table name from which you want to access the records. Okay, so select as name comma city from which table? Student where city equals to Alwar. So here this is the output. Okay, so which error we commit? That I have not mentioned the table name here, student. Okay, so after in the new command I write the student table name. Okay, so select as name comma city from student where city equals to Alwar. So what will happen here and what will be the output, student? Only the name of the student is showing to us, Diya and Priya, because both students belongs to the city Alwar. Okay, and just like I want to select the record, select as name, only two column I want to access. Select roll number from student where is greater than 17. Okay, now I want to access the records whose age is greater than 17. Okay, so now I want to only access the roll number of those students. Okay, so here students, I am using the greater than symbol. Okay, in previous command I told you about the equals to symbol, city equals to Alwar. Okay, so it will show only the records that contains the exact value Alwar. Okay, so only the students will display to you who belongs to the Alwar. But if you want to access the records of the students whose age is greater than 17, it means you want to access the records of all students whose age are greater than 17. So here we can access it. Okay, so the only roll number 104 and 105 are the students whose age is greater than 17. Okay, so students, here we can see the output. In the same manner we can use the command select command in the various manner. Okay, we can select the whole table at once in one command by using the select asterisk from student name, and if you want to access some specific columns, then you can access that by using the select and columns names you can mention in place of asterisk symbol. And if you want to access the records according to the specific criteria, then which clause we have to use, students? We have to use the where clause. So according to the by using the where clause, according to the criteria, we can mention the condition here. Okay, just like we mention here to access the records whose age is greater than 17. Okay, here I have mentioned that to display the records of the students whose city or who belongs to Alwar city. In the same manner, here I mention that I want to display the records, I want to see the output of the records whose age is equals to 17. Okay, so students, you have to remember one thing, that the field that is of integer data type whose value you have to mention in without quotes, and the field whose data type is of char data type whose value you have to mention in the single quote. Just like city column is of char data type, so according to the criteria you want to access the records of the students who belongs to Alwar city. So city equals to Alwar, so you have to put the Alwar in the single quotes. Okay, and in this command you want to access the records of the students whose age equals to 17. Okay, so age column is of int type. Okay, so it can contain the integer value, so we have to put the criteria age equals to 17 without quotes. Okay, so you have to remember these things, and you can try these all commands, and if you face any problem then you have to discuss to me. Bye and have a good day.